Hello everyone, in this video I will be telling you about a very important topic, that is spark matrix. First of all, representation of spark matrix. I would like to see, here, yes, starting from here. First of all, what is spark matrix? A spark matrix has many zero entries. In representation of a spark matrix, only one zero elements are stored to save on space and computing time. Each non-zero element is represented by row, column and value. Unlike array representation, the matrix is not thought of a chain of such triplets. Instead, consider head node for each row and each column pointing to the element in a particular row or column. A head node of a row contains three parts as shown below. So they are saying that this is the block diagram of a spark matrix. So here it is next row, here is row number and then element of the row. Row number indicates the row to which the head node is pointing to the component element. The head node also points to another head node for the next row. Thus a row is defined as follows. So here it says type def struct row int row number element pointer right struct pointer next row. So similarly, a column consists of its row column number, a pointer pointing to the next column is a pointer to element of element in that column A. Column is defined, so this is type def struct column. Similarly, the way we have defined the row, we are defining the columns. So similar ways. Then the structure one element in particular. So this is next element in the column. Row number, column number, value, next element in the row. Spark matrix therefore can be defined as a node having two pointers, one pointing to list of rows and the other pointing to the list of column. In addition, this node should contains two integers specifying the number of rows and number of columns. So basically they are saying that spark matrix consists of number of rows and number of column pointers, two pointers, in which one is number of rows and number of columns. First row, number of rows, number of columns, first column. So this is type def spark defined in the following structure. Type def struct spark, row pointer first row, column pointer first column, int number of rows, number of columns and sparks. Moving on to the next part. So this is the example of spark matrix in which this is a 4 rows 4 column matrix. Here you can see the number of zeros are there and this is how it's representing. So 3 3 is there. It says if you see this, this is the initial configuration in which three rows and 3 columns. So it's saying 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Fine. Initial, this is saying 3 3. In this 0 it says 0 0 5. So this is a linked list representation of spark matrix A. This is linked list representation. You can see this like it is saying 3 rows 3 columns. So it is defined 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 rows and columns, and then it is specifying each and everything. Like if I talk about the first pointer, it is saying number of 005. So this is like pointing to this 315. This is how it should be represented. So elements in each row are arranged in increasing order of their column number. Similarly, the elements in each column are arranged in increasing order of their row number. In order to create a linked version of spark matrix, the elements of the matrix represent is triplets of row, column and value. So it is saying which row, which column and the value in that row. So these three things you can see here, like 0, it says 0 row 0 column and the value is 5, so row and column. Similarly, for the first it says row number, column number and the value. This is how it's representing. So I hope you understand the Spark matrix. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.